Millions of people drink coffee every day, yet few have experienced handcrafted coffee using the manual pour-over method. Pour-over requires the controlled flow of water, and KitchenAid has perfected this technique in an automatic brewer. Introducing the new pour-over coffee brewer from KitchenAid. Developed in partnership with professional baristas, the brewer artfully mimics the manual pour-over method. From pre-wetting the grounds, which begins the flavor extraction or blooming process, to the controlled release of water, every step of the pour-over method has been thoughtfully integrated. And with unique brewing technology, the water is quickly heated at once to 200 degrees before evenly saturating the grounds while pouring at just the right time. The grounds then steep before ultimately dispensing rich, fully infused coffee with all the flavors the roaster intended. Combining the programmability and convenience of a traditional coffee maker with the flavor and control of manual pour-over, now even the most discerning coffee enthusiast can quickly enjoy the taste of handcrafted coffee thanks to KitchenAid. Because when your home brewer's a barista, there's so much more to make.